Danny Galley, chocolate covered strawberry summertime drink. Honestly, it's like a chocolate strawberry milkshake. So I saw a video for this drink and I thought that just looks so yummy. Let's recreate it and do it a little healthier. So when I went onto the website to discover the ingredients that they actually put in their drink, I was shocked to discover, yep, that many ingredients. There's like 50 ingredients in there. Now some of them are repetitive. Now my ingredient list is a whole lot shorter. I'm starting with 1 cup of strawberries, and then we're going to add 1 cup of coconut milk. Now I'm using unsweetened coconut milk here, and I have found that this Blue Dragon brand is the only brand of coconut milk that I can find that does not have gum in it. There's no Gower gum, no xanthan gum. It's just, the ingredient list is water and coconut. That's it. Now, I did put mine can in the refrigerator overnight just to kind of help keep all of this cold, but I don't believe that that's necessary. So I'm going to do equal parts strawberry and coconut milk here. Let me get this mixed up. Now, you can, of course, do this in your blender, and I am just going to give it a whirl. And next we're going to pour that over ice, and then we're going to make our chocolate foam topping. Now I think this one recipe makes 2 of these drinks in a 16-ounce glass. So for my cold foam topper, I'm going to do 1/4 cup of that coconut milk, and this is just packed full of potassium and iron. Really good for you. And to that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and I'm going to go with some maple syrup for sweetness. I'm going to do a teaspoon, but you could probably go up to a tablespoon here, depending on how sweet you would like it. Now, the maple syrup is perfect, pure maple syrup. It is low on the glycemic index. It is packed full of antioxidants, also manganese, zinc, and potassium. So a great choice to sweeten something up. And then we're going to give this a foam. And I'm just going to give this a taste just to see if that was enough sweetness. I might want to add some more. Now, I like it, but you might want yours a little sweeter. In fact, I might just add just a drop. And then we're going to top our drinks with that chocolate cold foam. How pretty does that look? And now, optional, but just because it's really good for us, I'm just going to sprinkle a little cinnamon on top. Now I am not a straw person, but this, I think, really you need a straw for. And when you put your straw in there and you kind of give that a mix up and get all of that chocolate and strawberry mixed together, this is a beautiful, fresh summertime drink. And it doesn't require 40 plus ingredients. Just simple, pure ingredients. I hope you enjoy. I hope you taste one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.